Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically part 14 or 15. So, one person basically asked the question. So, how many blood groups basically are created by Earth planet group? So, there are many blood groups. So, we will take one example of A blood group. So, one just a rough example basically. One person told that A blood group basically assume that basically it is generating oils. So from that energy basically oil are generated. So one person asked the question basically, oil basically can be generated from land also, because from land also basically when you dig the land, that time oil also basically are generated from land. Another is from chemical. So one person basically asked the question, which in A blood group basically which all data basically are into land creations and which all data basically are into the energy level creation, that is chemical data. Means the energy basically which is going to generate from the body, which data are used in land oil creation. So whatever oil basically are getting created from land, that oil basically are used for particular reason, and the chemical basically are different things. So in simple language basically we will tell, whatever energy basically the human body is generating of A blood group, from that basically how many data are used in land side. Means what if, for example, this certain level of energy is basically merged with the land data, and from land basically oil are generated from, assume that basically around 1 lakh people basically are into land side oil creation. So this 1 lakh data basically will converted into land side oil creation. That is means from land basically oil are generated, and another 1 lakh basically assume that basically that is generated from chemicals. So one person basically asked the question, the electric vehicle basically what they have used this concept basically. So that is also question basically, because few people basically are generating oil from land, few people basically are generating from chemicals. So one different idea basically came, that is basically the electric vehicle basically. He told that basically we are directly taking data from the environment only basically. So that is also basically one of the idea basically we can say. So in next video basically we are going to see basically little bit more about this.